Hello everyone. So for today I thought we could make these little flip open pockets that I had made. Well, actually I'd got one of these in Happy Mail, and I thought, you know, this would be fun to make. It's a little pocket. So this is her example. This is my try at it. Again, different looks, but we're also have different styles. So let's go on and make something, right? I'm making this a little bit smaller, so if I decide I want to fit it inside a tag of some sort, I can. Or inside a pocket, I should say. I can. So, here we go. I got several different pieces here. I think I'm just going to stick this in the inside portion of this, so we can line her up right here. And this can be part of a tag. It doesn't have to be. Again, this is a great way to use up like your envelopes and pieces like that. I just thought this would be fun. Just a little way of using up what we have. And I think I'm going to put music paper over top. So what do I want this at? That's the question. Let's get our width down. Okay, and then our height, I'm doing that on purpose. I don't want it to be perfect. I'll have to call her back in a moment after we're done making this. So I'm gluing it on 3 sides. Voila. Now I need to decide what kind of journal this is going to go to. And while I do that, I'm going to lay a book over top of this just so it stays down while we're doing that. So I'm just thinking, I think I want one for my random, that altered book that we've been working on. I think that would be a good idea. So I might just take some pieces that are already made here and see if there's any of them that would be kind of cute for this. No, I don't really like them ones. Let's use something out of this. Go with the musical theme here. Maybe. I don't know. Again, we'll see what we find here. Yeah. I like this little gramophone. And one thing I do love about this kind of sticker is it's see-through, so it goes off and you can set it on here and it isn't, it's like the vellum. So I like that. Something for the top here. Okay, and then I want a word, but I think I may have that in my Tim Holtz words here. The chit chat one, maybe. Sound. Makes sense, right? Okay. Now, in order for me to make the tag, do this, and then this piece, and I need to figure out what size. Okay. So I am cutting a little bit off it. I want to make sure it's going to look nice inside here, which it should. Alright, now I'm going to glue that on to some brown paper here. Again, this is just a nice, easy way to create one of these pieces, like the other one. And I wanted to show you step by step how I go through and do this, because obviously I did go off and create a tag to go along with it that would match up with it, with the other one. So I want to do the same with this one, obviously. goodness. It wants to. It's just not coming up the way it should. Oh, okay. Oh, my. Oh, okay. Like she asked you to? Cool. So I'm trying to keep this as black as white as possible. And then we're going to add in our cute little piece here. I love that. I make little labels out of my old papers, so then I'm not using up or not using my papers. Now let's see if I can find my thing that I used to cut up my tags. But again, this is just a cute little project I've been making today. Oh, I don't know where that is. So, sometimes when you just lose things and you can't find them, you just use something you do have on hand. That's an easy fix, right? There we go. And that'll fit right inside here, and voila, we got our lovely little piece here. And she also added tabs. So I'm just thinking, I have these black and white tabs sitting here. I should use it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use our tabs. Yeah, Bella was working on a project for Rosie that Rosie's didn't want to do herself, basically. So there we go. We got our nice little tab that opens up and everything. Again, I like how these look. They're different, and it's a great way to use your vellum sheets. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day or night. Bye!